All right, good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a great day as always. I am Travis, aka the Brass Tack. I am a professional automotive detailer and I have over 15 years of experience, and I am here to help educate you on your car cleaning journey. And along the way, I'm going to teach you guys some tips, tricks, and hacks to make the job go much quicker, much easier, and much more efficient. And the best thing is that most of the things I'm going to teach you guys can be done from the comfort of your own garage or driveway. And today we're going to be working on this Dodge Durango. And today we're going to be talking about wheels, and painted wheels specifically. There are different types of wheels out there. Your four main types of wheels are painted wheels, such as these here. Then you're going to have powder coated wheels, you're going to have chrome wheels, and you're going to have polished aluminum wheels. But today we're going to be talking mainly about painted wheels. So we're going to clean these wheels on this car here. But before we do that, I'm going to show you some tools that you're going to need that you can pick up pretty much anywhere. So let's get started with that. Okay, so here is the main tools you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need your wheel cleaner of choice. Okay, mine is a new product that I just got from Adams. I'm going to try it out and see how it works. I'm pretty sure I'm going to like it. The next tool is, it's a brush that you're going to need to get between the spokes and get to the inside dish of the wheel. So I got one of these. I have a smaller exterior detail brush that's going to get in your little places around lug nuts and stuff like that. You've got your wheel brush and your tire brush. We're not really talking about tires today, but I'm going to go ahead and do the tires on these because I'm actually detailing this one, so I'm going to get it done while I'm doing this. And the last thing you're going to need is a bucket with soap and warm water. So we're going to fill this up and we're going to get started. All right, guys, we are set up and ready to go. And the first thing we're going to want to do here is go ahead and spray the wheel down and get any loose dirt that's on the wheels off before we get started. So let's do that. Okay, now I'm gonna set the camera down and we'll get started. All right, guys, we are set up and ready to go. So the first thing we're gonna do now is go ahead and spray the wheel cleaner on the wheel. Let it sit for a minute. This wheel cleaner actually has to sit long enough to change colors, and then you start doing your work. So we'll go ahead and spray it on. And now we're gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. All right, guys, it is starting to go ahead and change colors. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it starting to change color a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and use our wheel brush and start cleaning. Get it good and soapy here. Here we go. Already, I can tell you that I love this new brush I just bought. Okay, and now we're going to get inside the dish with this guy. This is a thing a lot of people tend to skip. And once the wheel's all clean, you'll be able to see that the wheel's dirty through all these wide spokes. So we just go ahead. This is so much easier than the brush I was using. It was not nearly long enough to get all the way back. For this one, I can get back there with ease. Okay. Now for the last step, this is my little detail brush, and it's going to get in all these little places around the lug nuts and the air fill guy here. Okay, and now we are ready to rinse the wheel. Always rinse out the inside dish. Get your lug nuts real good. Make sure there's no soap residue staying around. And there you have it, guys. One clean wheel. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of them. Now, a quick side note, guys, you're gonna notice that I'm doing the tire and the wheel well too. That's not really part of what I'm teaching in this video, but I'm actually detailing this car, so I'm not gonna leave this wheel and tire area until all of it is done. So once I get done with the wheel well and tire, we'll move on to the next wheel. guys, all 4 wheels are done and they look fantastic as always. One thing I'm not going to do that I'm gonna at least tell you how to do is dry the wheels, because that is important. Obviously you don't want your wheels to get water spotted before you get a chance to dry them off. So it is important to dry the wheels. I'm not gonna dry these because I still have so much more to do on this vehicle that requires water, so there's no point in me drying them off yet, but I will show you. Just take a microfiber rag such as this and just wipe your wheel like this. Sometimes I will take my shop vac and suck the water out of these little guys here, because once you dry the wheel and start to back it out or whatever, the water will start running out of these and go down the wheel. So you can always suck these out or blow them out, or however you want to do it. When it comes to your tire, don't wipe the tire, just dab it like that. That way you're not getting a whole bunch of nasty rubber black on your towel. Another thing you're gonna notice is that I use specific tools and specific products from specific brands. Obviously, you don't have to do that. You can get the same result out of products from Walmart or even the dollar store, for crying out loud. The reason I use the products I do is because I can get most of them in bulk, and I use so much products because I do so many vehicles that it saves me money to get things in bulk. So obviously that's the route I go. But just your weekender, my goodness, you can go to Walmart and get pretty much the same type of product. They have all type of wheel cleaners available, and they pretty much all do the same job. You can pretty much find any brush you need there, or your local auto parts store or whatever. So don't freak out and say, oh, well, he's using all these expensive products and tools. Of course the wheels are gonna come out perfect every time. You can really get the same product at Walmart that does the same job. So don't freak out. You can do this. I promise it's gonna come out fine every time, as long as you use the right process in doing it. As you can see, they came out pretty darn good. So that is our video for today. I'm gonna have a lot more to show you guys. Probably some really cool Duramax content coming up. The Duramax is outside in the driveway right now because it's usually parked here, but I have some ideas, so be looking forward to that. But for today, we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button. I will keep bringing you cool stuff. Thanks guys. Take care and have a great night.